So creating company in Odoo. So in apps, we will check for settings, users and companies. We will click on companies and there is a default company. We will create a new company. Let's fill some information. So I'm filling some dummy information. So I don't have GST account, so I will skip that part. So let's say company ID 1234567 8. Currency will be INR. Phone number will be 1234567 8 9 and 0. Skip that part. I'm writing email here. Website name. You can add logo here, just publish it. Before creating branches, we'll add a new branch. So we don't have a branch, so we'll add new branch. So let's say company, the branch name, address, company ID, phone number, and after that just save it. Now we can see we have new branch, we can see we have new company here.